Okay, so now we're on to lesson 111, and it's getting kind of windy here, and I hope we don't get rain. Still in Cottage Grove, haven't moved anywhere yet. Okay, so lesson 111 is on three statements of equality, and basically these are word problems where you have three unknowns and use substitution or elimination, so no new concepts necessarily. Just maybe a little bit different kind of word problem. So they jump right into the example, so we'll go ahead and do that as well. So example 111 says there were 26 nickels, dimes, and quarters in all. So let's look at this. So we use n to equal number of nickels, and q to equal number of quarters. I guess I forgot dimes. So d to equal number of dimes. So the number of each of these is 26, the total sum. So we have n plus d plus q equals to 26. And then it goes on to say that all of their value was $2.25. So to get a value, nickels are worth, we're going to look at our base unit as being pennies, cents. So nickel is 5. So what we have is 5 times the number of nickels plus 10 times the number of dimes plus plus 25 times the number of quarters is equal to 225 cents. So it's $2.25. So that gives us three unknowns with two equations. And then it goes on to say how many coins of each type were there if there were 10 times as many nickels as quarters. So basically the number of quarters, there's 10 times the number of quarters is equal to the number of nickels. So there we have 10 times the number of quarters is equal to the number of nickels. So now we got this one here is just begging for using substitution into one of the other equations, and I think we will substitute 10q in for n. So let's go ahead and put that in the first one here. So we have 10q, you're welcome, plus, that's bad, plus q equals to 26. And so we'll combine the q's and we'll get d plus 11q is equal to 26. And then if we put in the 10 quarters is equal to nickel, we'll put that into this guy. And so we get 5 times 10q plus 10d plus 25q is equal to 25. Make sure we're not going off track here. Okay. And if we finish this one out, we have 50q. Oh yeah, 50q plus 25q is actually 75q. So we'll just write we have 10 plus 75q is equal to 225. Okay. And we're going to go ahead and use elimination on this one. So we're going to use this equation here and this equation here. So we have, we'll go ahead and put a d plus 11q is equal to 26. And now we're going to go ahead and multiply through by a negative 10 through here. So we have minus 10, and this is minus 110, and this is minus 260. And then we'll go ahead and add these. And we'll get 10, 25, so minus 35q is equal to, we have 35 here, minus 35. So it looks like if you divide both sides by minus 35, you get q is equal to 1. So there's 1 quarter. So that's great. If you look at it, if we had $2.25, 1 quarter, the rest is all dimes and nickels. So q equals 1, so we can go back up to our original equation, or actually let's go to this one here. So number of nickels is going to be 10, right? So we have quarters is equal to 1, and 10 times 1 is n, so n is 10. And then we have the final thing, which would be right here. We've got 10 plus b plus 1 is equal to 26, or 11. So we'll go ahead and 26 minus 11. Sorry, I'm kind of jumping forward here, so maybe finish this out. We got t plus 11 is equal to 26. So therefore, d is 15. And then this all makes sense. Let's think about it. We have number of nickels, that's 50 cents. Number of dimes is 150, or $1.50. So we got 50 plus $1.50 is $2 plus another quarter is 25 cents. So $2.25. So there is our answer. And the next example is fairly similar. I don't think there's any majorly different concepts, so I think we'll stop it there.